2017 Ford F-250 diesel Kleinn air horn installation. For this installation, we decided to use the auxiliary switches that are located in the overhead of the new Ford F-250s. Auxiliary 1 is what we are using to turn the pump on and off, and auxiliary 2 is what we are using to blow the horns for right now. On Fords with the auxiliary switches located in the overhead, you can find the power box that has the fuses and the relays in it on the driver's side of the vehicle, just in front of the firewall, and that's where we connected our auxiliary 1 and auxiliary 2, which runs all the way down the fender across the front of the vehicle, just above the radiator. You can actually see it right there in the wire loom. That comes over here, goes across and hooks up to the Kleinn relay that is supplied in the kit. Underneath of the front of the vehicle, where the wires drop down pretty much next to the battery, on the outside of the frame rail, we also have the wires that come up and hook to our switch, our air valve switch that turns it on and off. This is the one that's going up to our auxiliary 2, located in the overhead. Our Kleinn relay is mounted on the passenger side just above the wheel well, which would be on top of this obviously. But our yellow wires that have to go down to the pressure switch located in the back of the vehicle all run down through this wire loom that I have here. It's tied up and goes underneath of the vehicle. Just on the inboard side of the passenger side bump stop, as you can see located right there, all the wires and main air line that run up to the front switch all meet together and run down the passenger side of the vehicle up over the body mounts, still in the loom. And we've got it zip tied about every foot to foot and a half or so, and that runs like that all the way to the back. Pretty much right over top of the rear axle of the vehicle, the airline and the wires that need to go up forward are ran to the inside of the frame rail, wrapped in loom all the way back. The power wire tucks through the same opening that the instructions are telling you to put the supply line from the air compressor. The ground wire for the compressor is just using like a self-tapping screw, like a tech screw, just to ground it. Then over here on this side, coming from the same location, the two yellow wires from the pressure switch are running, still in loom, zip tied to the tank bracket. They run all the way over to the top side of the tank, which you really cannot see, and the pressure switch is located up there. And then one of the other cool things about this kit is it has the option to put an auxiliary air outlet for pumping up your tires. So we ran it from what would be the driver's side of the tank back to the outside of the trailer hitch, where we have mounted the bracket that is supplied in the kit along with the little rubber cap.